Hello, my name is Chris, and I'm going to show you how to easily install some Schluter Ditra in your bathroom renovation. Let's get started. First, obviously, you have to lay out your room, do your cuts, make all the pieces fit. Next, we need to mix our thin set. This is the Schluter All Set. It is a guaranteed product and will increase your warranty if you use it. I personally love this product. Now you always vacuum and mop your floor before you do any tile work. Doesn't have to be soaking wet, just a nice damp mop to get rid of that dust. Now we're troweling. First you have to burn the mud into the substrate, and then on a 45 degree you add more mud with your notch trowel. Fill the whole area and roll out. Pack it down. I like to start with the corner, and then you have to check it to see if you have good adhesion. This is not good adhesion, so you have to add more mud to it. So I peeled the actual roll up. Look at that, that's way better. Always check. As you can see in this area, I actually added a thicker mud. This is a 1/4 by 1/4 trowel, and we got way better adhesion there. Now I have the area done. You want to make sure you clean up any spills, because Ditra heat's going into here and my electrician will kill me if I leave a big pile of mud. The easier you make it on your electrician, the better work they will do, and it'll cost you less because they're not scraping out mud. Now we have to waterproof against the shower, which is super important. All you have to do is mud the two corners just like a drywall corner, and then lay the Schluter Curdy roll and mud it in place. Make sure it's nice and sharp because you want a tile there and you want your tiles to be straight and flush. Now that I have the room done, I am cleaning my bucket. This is a Beast Mixer bucket liner, which I highly recommend getting if you're a professional. It's a silicone bucket liner that's really thick, and the best part about it is you scrape it just like I am, get everything down to the bottom, and then when you come back the next day, it's all at the bottom. It's nice and hard, and it just pops right out instead of hammering your bucket out. And there you have it. It's a super simple process. Like and follow for more.